Hey guys, welcome back to Concoction 2, and this is what I have. It's not working, it's all crumbly, so I'm going to have to put it in again. This time I'm going to put it in for 2 minutes. Hopefully that'll help. Hopefully that'll work. In the meantime, you're going to take out your big bowl. And you are going to take out your powdered sugar and pour some in there. Probably like, that's a lot of powdered sugar. Yeah, it's coming out like really slow. To me, it's not a lot, but if you're watching, you're probably like, wow, that is a lot of powdered sugar. Alright, so I think that's going to be enough. Look, see? So, I'm going to get a spoon. I'm sorry. Okay. And, I'm going to get some milk. I don't know what I want to get. So I'm going to do whipped cream and milk. Hopefully that gives me my answer of what I want to do. Because really I have no idea if I want to use milk or if I wanted to use whipped cream. So I'm going to do both. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is new. Is there... Oh my god.
Oh, Hannah.
I'm sorry. Oh my god. No. Don't throw it away. Sorry. Well. What? No, I'm fine.